since I've done a 350Z vlog. As you can see, my car right now is in a bad shape. I got the tires off. I got the wide body kit off. It's sitting on 4 jacks right now. Took out everything. Took out the under shroud right there. I also have to take my back bumper. Took out the front splitter out. Here's the Rocket Bunny panels. The reason why I took them out, took everything off, is because I'm rocking the fiberglass. And when you're rocking the fiberglass, you're gonna get some cracks and chips down the road, you know. Your biggest enemies are potholes and speed bumps. So I had to take everything off and do some repair and bondo, like right here. Like right here, this is one of the white fenders. I had to do some patch ups. And then on my front bumper, I had to do a lot of patches right there. So now what I gotta do is sand all these down and make them smooth, and then have it ready for paint. I also have to take my side skirts off, repaint them, repaint everything pretty much, so it's got a brand new coat of paint. I got all the patches sanded. I started with the front bumper because it's the one with the most damage and cracks. The fender flares, they're easy. They only got like tiny holes, tiny cracks. Alright guys, so I got all of my fender flares painted, and I'm just letting them dry right now. And I'm getting ready to paint the front bumper. I got it all prepped up. Alright guys, I'm done painting the front bumper. So I just now have to do the side skirts and the back bumper and the spoiler, and then I'll be done with the body kit. Alright guys, this is my final update. I finally got everything, every part's clean and painted, so everything looks brand new. I got the front bumper here, it's all painted, good to go, bondoed. And I got the bumper here, it's also done painted. I just got to remove this plastic piece, and it's fully dry. Side skirt is done. That's just my spare bumper. Then the other side skirt, my thingy-majig, my skid plate, I gotta put that back. So yeah, all I gotta do is pretty much put the mash grill on the kit, and then put everything back on the car. But before I can do that, I gotta put the tires on there and give it a good wash, because right now it's dirty as heck. Look at all that dirt. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the tires back on, give it a wash, dry it, and put the body kit back on the car. Okay, so that was just the front bumper out in the garage and the back bumper. And then on here, these are the wide body fenders. I got the Rocket Bunny, and then I got the spoiler also done. And then I got 2 more packages, parts for the 350Z. If you guys want to see a video on that, I'll be making a video on those 2 packages for the 350Z. So if you guys want to see those, just subscribe to my channel. You know, if you want to see the final build with everything back on the 350Z, just hit that subscribe button, guys. I really appreciate it.